Right, hi guys, I'm Kevin the Evangelista. Welcome to my channel, and yeah, this is a short feature video, actually the second I've done for this weekend because, surprise, I got into the Tekken Closed Network Alpha playtest. When I got that email from Bandai Namco saying that, oh, you got into the Closed Network Alpha, congratulations, you can play it this weekend. I contacted all of the partner brands on my channel and I told them, yeah, if you want to have Tekken 8 tested on your product or on your laptop, sure, I can make a quick video for you guys. And yeah, this is the second video I'm doing. The first one was about the Legion Pro 7i. This time, it's about the ROG Zephyrus Duo 16 2023. It's the most powerful gaming laptop on the market right now. But before we continue with the video, let's keep the lights on here in the studio. This video is brought to you by SNK ATK Design Lab. They're a clothing company that specializes in technical fashion, more commonly known as techwear, and you can see me in their clothes in most of my videos. I've been supporting their brand ever since I met them back in 2019, and now they're returning the favor. Head on over to this link, you can find it in the description as well, to get 10% off your order from their site. Check their clothes out, you're bound to see something badass over there that'll look great on you. Thank you very much to SNK ATK for this exclusive promo for my viewers. Now, back to the video. Without further ado, let's try out Tekken 8 on the ROG Zephyrus Duo 2023. So yeah, screen settings, effect saturations high, graphic settings, full screen 2560 by 1600 because this is a 16 by 10 display. VSync off, variable shading off, rendering quality preset custom everything. Actually upscaling. What is this upscaling? Let's stick with DLSS because we are running an RTX 4090. Ultra everything. Measure display FPS on. Yeah, this is absolute max settings. Like I said in my other video, of course, don't expect like esports level for performance. I am not an esports player of Tekken 8. I am just a casual enjoyer of Tekken. I used to play a lot of Tekken 7, but I was never like super good at it. I just like fighting games. Also, my performance will be degraded because I am playing on a DualShock 4 controller, not a fight stick. And I asked my friends if I can borrow fight sticks and none of them could send one over the weekend. And the ones that do have a fight stick are also in the closed network alpha, so might as well play with just a controller. My main character Alisa is not available yet in the closed network alpha, so I'm going to be playing as Lars. If you are wondering why Tekken is just running at 60 FPS, it's not VSync or anything. This is not a limited game when it comes to FPS. Technically, the physics of the game has to run at 60 FPS to be like proper. Bandai Namco has said as much. There have been people lobbying to have Tekken run at a higher FPS, but Bandai Namco said that, yeah, for that to happen, we're going to have to basically rewrite the game engine for Tekken. And that would be a Sisyphean task. This is another thing that I want to kind of like point out. My previous video, the recording of that lasted around 45 minutes and I wasn't able to get a ranked match. Meaning because I am playing at like 3 AM on like a Sunday, but yeah, this is a limited run closed network alpha. There should be people playing even at this like weird time in the morning. Maybe I should broaden my search. No restrictions. Enable cross-platform play. Let's go. I do have to say that Tekken 8's graphics pretty out of this world. Oh my god.
Get ready.
There we go. Come on. Come on. Fight me. Yes. By this point, I don't care if this is like a godlike player. Look at that. I just want to get into a fight. Ah. Oh my god. She is great. Lily is great.
Fight.
Ah. Oh. Oh, I can't swear on YouTube. I'm gonna lose 2 rounds. I'm gonna lose everything.
Round 3. Fight.
Oh. Oh. Can we fight another one? Please? Where are the other people playing? Okay. Let's rematch. Obviously this player is too good for me. We are not on the same level. But yeah, this is the first person I am encountering tonight. Even though I've shot like 2 videos already to test. Oh, look at that. I am getting destroyed. Even though I can like see where I should be blocking. Yeah. This person is too good for me. I can't fight. I can't fight this person. Sapul. Oh. Oh. I thought that would kind of interrupt her rage. Oh. That was close. Well, not that close. But... oh, look at that. She picked me up. Oh, rage cancels out heat. I didn't know that. Yeah, I won 1 round. That's pretty nice.
Fight.
Oh. Yeah, got her again. This is gonna kill. This is gonna kill. Yeah. I won 2 rounds. Although I think that's mainly for respect. I think that was a respect match. That was a respect point. Oh. Oh, look at that. She perfected me. GG. So yeah, that was the performance of the ROG Zephyrus Duo 16 2023 in Tekken 8. What can I say? It is a monster laptop. It is the most, like I keep saying, it is the most powerful laptop available in the market right now. So yeah, this has been a short video highlighting the performance of Tekken 8 on the ROG Zephyrus Duo 16 2023. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Kevin Evangelista. Bye.